Hi friends, welcome back to the channel and welcome to our February inspiration hop. I'm so excited because today our amazing design team is sharing projects using the brand new Not Too Shabby release. And you're going to want to see them all. There's a full playlist linked below with everyone's videos, so be sure to hop along and get inspired. For my video, I'm sharing the cards I created using the new release, and I can't wait to show you all the cozy, creative details. And of course, we're having a giveaway, so leave a comment on this video, then head on over to the King Sumo link in the description box to enter. Make sure you hop on over to each video in the hop and leave a comment and leave some love. One lucky winner will receive a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. So all of our subscriptions are open right now, including the box of the month and the junior box. If you join monthly, you'll save 18% off retail. And if subscriptions aren't your thing, you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. And all of our paper and ephemera are also available a la carte in the shop. So let's jump in, take a closer look at the cards I made with the new release, and don't forget to hop along the playlist for even more inspiration. So I'm going to start with the box of the month. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I do have some sneak peek videos that go into detail, and I'm sure you'll see some other creators along the way sharing the details. But I do want to show you the beautiful box of the month from our kitchen. It comes with two beautiful ephemera packs, Very Sweet Kitchen, fresh from the coop. We've got matching paper, beautiful with that wood grain and the strawberries. And then we've got the matching fresh from the coop paper with lots of cute chickens, gingham, and polka dots. You get two stamp sets in your box, a 6x6 stamp set that is so cute. This one's called Clucking Cute Chickens. It features all these cute chicks stirring up some fun in the kitchen with a really fun sentiments to create some really fun cards. And I'll share those cards with you. You get a 6x8 stamp set, and this one here is called Strawberry Kitchen. And it has some beautiful images, all full of strawberries and kitchen themed. I love this toaster. Really cute in the mixer. So fun, guys. You also get a card sampling of our A2 card fronts. So this month we have the Farmhouse Bounty, and that has been restocked. So if you weren't able to pick that up, you can now get that. And on the back of this package, there is a page full of sentiments that you can use Teresa's one and done sentiment die to cut those out into little strips. So you get great little sentiments to use for your card fronts, but they also go well with the whole release. All right, so let me read these out since I really don't have a picture of the sentiments. Gathering goodness, sharing gratitude. Life is sweeter when shared with you. There's a blank one. Your generosity is a bounty all on its own. Harvesting joy from life's simple moments. Homegrown love from me to you. May your days be filled with fresh air and sunshine. Sending you a basketful of comfort and joy, or comfort and cheer. Blessings grown fresh from the heart. A little country charm to brighten your day. With love and a little country charm. And then we also have You Make Life Feel Like a Well-Stocked Pantry. And this is one of the card fronts. So you get 6 different card fronts in the box of the month from this pack. You can pick up the full pack on the website. And as I was creating with this box, I kept thinking about those quiet moments at our craft tables, the ones where we sit down and not really knowing what we're going to make, but knowing we need to make something. This box was designed for that kind of day. Everything in here was chosen to work together on purpose, so you don't have to overthink it. You can just open the box, pull out a few pieces, and let your hands do the work. No pressure, no guessing, just that peaceful feeling of creating again. And these cards came together in a really natural way for me. I wasn't trying to make anything fancy. I was just enjoying the process. Letting the papers lead, letting the little details shine, like these cute little enamel dots. And those are the strawberry kitchen enamel dots that match perfectly with the collection. And honestly, that's when crafting feels the best for me. I used You Bake Me Smile, and I used one of Teresa's One and Done banner strips to stamp that in. And I love this one because I got out my hot glue gun and my lace and just played. Did some coloring, relaxed and did some coloring. I just matched up the paper colors and I had fun with that. Little details like adding glossy accents to the soup. So what a great box that is. And your junior box comes with the chicken stamp set, the Fresh from the Coop paper pad, the Fresh from the Coop ephemera pack, and a full pack of the A2 Farmhouse Bounty card fronts. I did restock Teresa's One and Done die. So if you're looking for this die and you'd like to cut out your sentiments in the A2 card fronts, that is now back in stock. For our paper pad club of the month, we have an I Want It All option. And when you choose that, you get the 4x6 stamp set, Very Sweet Cuties, which is so adorable. The Sweet Little Cuties ephemera pack. Love those cute little oranges. The Wild Strawberry Meadow paper pad, which has images on the inside that you can cut out. And the Sweet Little Cuties paper pad. How cute is this collection? Here are the cards that I created. I did a sheet load of cards using Alicia's sketch from January to create these cards. These are the cutouts from the inside of the paper pad on the Wild Strawberry Meadows. So cute. This one I colored in that cute little mouse from the stamp set and then also paired it with some images from the paper pad. This one here, I created a birthday card using the cute little orange ephemera. Turned out so sweet. Used Lynn's Ultimate Sentiment strip and stamp set to stamp that out, celebrating you today. This one I colored in the cute little images and I colored everything up and grabbed some papers from both paper pads and just mixed and matched. Had a lot of fun. And then this one I stamped out Fresh Squeezed. I thought that sentiment was perfect for this little scene. So for this little image here, this is how it looks, all stamped out and colored. I just cut it out in a stitched circle. So that is ready to go. I have some images here that would look super cute. And I could just put a quick card together just by using these cute little images. So we will have the winner posted on our community tab in 1 week. So good luck on the hop, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys get a lot of inspiration. And if you're interested in any of the products, the links are in the description box for you. We do have free shipping with orders over $75 in the US and a free gift with $60. Thanks so much, guys, for spending time here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.